قادریہ جیلانیہ اسلامک سینٹر منچسٹر کے امام و خطیب صاحبزادہ ڈاکٹر مصطفی قادری کا جمعہ کے موقع پر کہنا تھا کہ ساؤتھ پورٹ بچیوں کے قتل کے واقعے کے نتیجے میں مساجدوں، مسلمان کمیونٹی، سینٹروں اور مسلمانوں پر تشدد کرنے کا سلسلہ جاری۔
قادریہ جیلانیہ اسلامک سینٹر منچسٹر کے امام اور خطیب صاحبزادہ ڈاکٹر مصطفی قادری کا جمعہ کے موقع پر کہنا تھا کہ سوتھ پورٹ بچیوں کے قتل کے واقعے کے نتیجہ میں مساجدوں، مسلمان کمیونٹی، سینٹروں اور مسلمانوں پر تشدد کرنے کا سلسلہ جاری ہے۔ پولیس کی طرف سے لوگوں کو گھر میں رہنے کی اطلاعات موصول ہو رہی ہیں۔ پولیس برطانیہ کا کہنا ہے کہ وہ ہر طرح سے مسلمانوں کی مساجد اور تمام کمیونٹی کے لوگوں کے تحفظ کی ذمہ دار ہے۔ آئیے آپ کو لے کر چلتے ہیں بقیہ رپورٹ کی طرف۔
For those that know about it or can remember. So it's truly shocking, appalling, and also frightening for many of our brothers, sisters, especially to our elder ladies, people being scared to leave their homes. We would like to use this opportunity on Jum'ah today to address the congregation and state very clearly that in Islam, from the very outset, the Prophet ﷺ, through the teachings of the Quran, taught that all people are equal. The only greatness, the only sense of superiority one should have is their taqwa, their piety. In fact, Islam was not only a religion which was not racist, it was anti-racist. The Prophet ﷺ and the mission of Islam worked actively to eradicate racism, to finish this sense that one person may be greater than somebody else just by the color of their skin. What a pathetic idea this is, but this notion unfortunately has existed for centuries around the world and in this country. So that's the message we would like to give here. And a couple of things I want to say very quickly is, first of all, we must have the character of the Prophet ﷺ within ourselves when we react to these demonstrations, these protests, the violence and the riot. The Quran tells us, idfa' billati hiya ahsan. Respond in a way that is better. Respond to evil. Respond to something bad in a way which is better. We Muslims need to set the example, and that is what will win us this battle against this atrocious forms of discrimination and racism. Once a week from this idara, there is a food bank in which we serve all members of the community, and we do not discriminate based on religion. In fact, most of the people coming are often non-Muslims, and this has been a way for many people to realize that what this minority, and they are a minority, of these thugs, what they are doing does not represent, or what they are saying about Muslims is not the truth, because they see the truth of Islam when they come to this idara and places like this, and they are given food, and they are helped through their struggles. Last two things I want to say very quickly is we ask the